Best Keycap Puller. Number 1. Side-Insen Keycap Puller. The Side-Insen Keycap Puller is a necessary tool needed for any and every mechanical keyboard owner. The wires on this puller can be bent to fit around the keycaps of your computer and take them off quickly if need be. This product has been built to help make removing, fixing, or replacing your worn-out keycaps as quick as possible. However, it can be used as a tool for you to use on any other kind of switch. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Ortarco Keycap Puller. The Ortarco Keycap Puller for mechanical keyboard is perfect for PC users who want to replace their wear caps on keyboards without having to replace the entire keyboard. This tool's key wires can be bent outward, making it compatible with mechanical keyboards. The steel wire puller is highly durable, providing a long-lasting key puller experience. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Keyson Keycap Puller. Today's keyboards need to be able to stand up to a lot of punishment. That is why Keyson Keycap Puller has been designed as a sturdy wire keycap puller that won't let you down when it comes time to remove those stuck caps from the tops of your mechanical keyboard. Due to its handle, it can be referred to as a plastic keycap puller. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Fiata Keycap Puller. Fiata is the simplest mechanical keyboard key puller available on the market. No more struggling to remove keycaps with your hands or screwdrivers. They are durable enough for many years of daily use, but they're only a few bucks. If you want to replace keycaps without replacing a keyboard, Fiata is your best bet. The storage box is included with a 200 pieces rubber O-ring. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Ortarco Keycap Puller. The Ortarco Keycap Puller switch puller is the perfect solution for laptop users looking to take care of cleaning their keyboards. With its simple brushes, you can easily clean your computer's keycap. In the market, it's the best key switch puller. The dual-purpose key pull synergizes between a standard keycap puller and also being able to remove the switch at the same time. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.